The Titration Interactive Calculator helps you solve concentration, volume, and normality problems in acid-base titrations. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate Analyte Concentration, calculate Titrant Concentration, calculate Analyte Volume, calculate Titrant Volume, calculate Equivalent Mass, and calculate Normality from Molarity. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Analyte Concentration. The input fields are Titrant Concentration and Molarity, Titrant Volume in milliliters, Analyte Concentration and Molarity, Analyte Volume in milliliters, Analyte N factor, Titrant N factor, Analyte Mass in grams, Molarity, and N factor. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for Titrant Concentration, 10 for Titrant Volume, 10 for Analyte Concentration, 10 for Analyte Volume, 1 for both N factors, 10 for Analyte Mass, and 10 for Molarity. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 10,000 m. The milliequivalence output displays 100,000 μQ, and the normality for the analyte is 10,000 N. These results confirm that with equal concentrations, volumes, and N factors, the analyte concentration matches the titrant concentration at the equivalence point. This tool streamlines your titration calculations for laboratory work. Find the link in the description below.